Leos, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy 2021. I hope the universe grants you whatever you desire. Leos, I would also like to thank you for your support on my journey. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use an oracle deck that we have here. Possibly, I will also use Archangel Raphael healing cards for a message from Archangel Raphael. So let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. I'll keep this aside for now. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into January 2021, we have the Four of Cups. Certainly in this period, you may have been feeling all at sea. Maybe you felt emotionally discontented. Possibly you felt isolated and all alone. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe financial issues could have created discord in your family life or within your circle. Another thing I'm also picking up is that maybe you felt that people were two-faced and self-centered. Nonetheless, I think money was made available to you in case you desired money or you needed financial assistance. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Six of Wands. Certainly, you cannot escape the spotlight, Leos. Besides, you revel in the spotlight, so you shouldn't hide behind a mask. Another thing I'm also picking up is there could be excess communication this month, or paperwork would also increase. For some of you, you'll also have to commute a great deal more. I think while working also, you should be careful that you have all your documents in order, because maybe you will have to run to and fro to get them. Leos, you also should be careful about your financial dealings. Maybe you think that even if you have made some gains, you think that you don't have deep pockets, or that you may also feel that there has been mistakes made by your financial advisor or your somebody who's handling your finances, possibly a junior as well, and that he hasn't been sincere and honest in his dealings. Influences for the month, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Again, money issues take center stage for Leos. Money could also create disagreements. Whatever it is, it's a very productive period. You need to capitalize on the material vibration that the month is bringing. Some kind of contentment can also be there. For some of you, I'm also picking up that means your focus could also be on home improvements. Ideally, Leos, you should make allowances, you should collaborate, you should compromise and get ahead. Or you may feel that you are being sidelined. Sometimes you may feel that your views are not being heard, or maybe your recommendations are not being paid attention to. Nonetheless, I think your clients will also recommend you to other clients or customers, so you should capitalize and finalize deals very quickly. The first 10 days, we have the Two of Swords for Leo. So maybe you'll be in a situation where you cannot decide how you should proceed. Maybe there are two sets of data before you and you don't know which choice to make. This is also the period when you should brainstorm with others. You should collaborate and listen to their point of view. Maybe you will get some insight into that on account of these deliberations. This is also a period which will be quite hectic. You have to move ahead and you have to decide on the course of action. Basically, you have to act immediately and find solutions to the problems that may arise. An elder person could also help you out. So possibly you should be open to the idea of listening to the viewpoint of an elder person, maybe your father figure or maybe even your boss. Sometimes you may also be disturbed or distressed because there are people who cling to you for advice or guidance, but they forget to acknowledge you or oblige you. So maybe you will be giving them a piece of your mind. Basically, you want them to be responsive to your needs. When you need assistance, you think they should be there for you. On the work front, I think you should be more attentive rather than give your superior a reason to complain. Maybe he thinks that you're not focusing your energies well enough, or that you aren't following instructions. Your loved ones may also feel that you should pull up your socks because there's a possibility that the boss may seek a replacement for you, or maybe you will have to look for another work offer. Ideally, you should refocus. Some Leos may also find that a messy situation would also be resolved in this period. Maybe You can also expect to get your dues in this period. So some of you may also be thinking of paying up your dues or paying up those whom you owe money. 11 to 20th Jan, we have the, or 11 to 20th January, we have the Knight of Wands. So Knight of Wands is someone who's very up and about, who has a go-getter attitude, and you seem to embody those qualities. You're going to move forward and you're going to be very productive in this period. Leos, this is your energy because Wands, as you know, is a fire sign. So you're bringing in those qualities. You'll also have to deal with excess communication, but you should take heart from the fact that it will be profitable. Likewise, like I said, that sometimes you may feel distracted because other tasks could take or eat into your time. So you have to focus on whatever is important or urgent. I think you're also going to be disturbed because there are going to be people who are unprofessional in their attitude, or they're disorganized, and you will definitely give them a piece of your mind. Some kind of upsetting news is also going to be there and you're on the cards in this period. So it would also be prudent to hold your tongue and not get into arguments. Nonetheless, unexpected money gains and opportunities or surprises are in store for you in this period. So you need to make the most. As the final days, that is 21st to 31st January, we have the Six of Swords. So from a turbulent period, you're moving towards calm. I think you're also going to make travel plans, or you have to commute great distances. Again, paperwork, like I said, it seems to be a recurring issue this month. So you need to be careful with respect to paperwork or with respect to data that you're working on. Official paperwork is also a possibility. Sometimes, you may be undecided about whether to proceed or not, but then you have to adapt to your schedules, because at the last minute or at the 11th hour, you will find that you have to get going. You should also promote yourself this month, so you're going to come away making gains. There'll be some workers or colleagues who could rebel against you. Maybe somebody who has also underestimated your talent could also acknowledge that you are quite talented and gifted, and that he has erred in prejudging you. On the love front, we have the card commitment. Certainly it brings a smile to my face because you're desiring commitment, or some of you could also get the good news, or somebody could also propose to you this month. Even if those moments are there when you'll be quite irritable, but this is something which is a pleasant surprise for you. Romancing Leos, I think you are very happy because you're a person and you have the same views and thoughts. I think you'll be very pleased as well because he gets quite emotional as the evening sets in, or your lover could also discuss and bare his soul to you. So this makes the bond even more closer. Sometimes he may complain that you are a bit detached. Whatever it is, I think you will also be planning date nights. Maybe you want to make time for each other. In case you are married, I think you should avoid petty fights over food or over inane matters. Maybe you may accuse your spouse of being inattentive. I think for some of you, I'm also picking up that you may be in an abusive relationship. So you should work on that, and you should respect yourself as well. Possibility of unfaithfulness or discussions revolving around marital infidelity could also be there this month. Another card we have is from Archangel Raphael is acceptance. Basically, you need to accept the situation that everything with respect to matters of health will work out fine because God or Archangel Raphael is in charge. Another card we have is Ivy clinging. So in this month, I'm also picking up that maybe Ivy, as you know, is in a symbiotic relationship. So it needs to cling to the tree for support. So maybe you're also needing support from some people and they are supportive of you. Also in relationships, maybe the key here is also not to be too clingy or persuasive. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Tower with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.